Welcome to Uncommon DevOps Wisdom by Uncommon Sense Consulting. Have you ever pondered how system stability could be the secret ingredient in your DevOps recipe, or how lean manufacturing principles typically associated with physical production lines could revolutionize your software development process? Intriguing, isn't it? Traditional DevOps practices have always been about collaboration, integration, and communication between software developers and IT professionals. They focus on automating software delivery and infrastructure changes to build, test, and release software faster and more reliably. However, these practices often overlook one vital component: system stability. System stability, the ability for a system to remain unchanged or recover quickly despite disruptions, is a critical aspect of DevOps. It ensures that the software development process runs smoothly with minimal downtime and disruptions. However, in traditional DevOps practices, the focus is often on speed rather than stability, which can lead to frequent changes, disruptions, and ultimately system instability. On the other hand, DevOps practices that incorporate system stability prioritize maintaining a stable system over making rapid changes. They focus on preventing system disruptions and ensuring that any changes made do not negatively impact the system's stability. This approach can lead to a more robust and resilient system which can handle disruptions more effectively and recover more quickly. Now consider lean manufacturing principles. Originating from Toyota's production system, these principles aim to eliminate waste, improve efficiency, and create value. But what do these principles have to do with DevOps? When applied to DevOps, lean principles can help streamline the software development process, eliminate waste, and create more value. For example, by keeping pipelines a little empty, teams can work more efficiently and effectively, reducing the risk of bottlenecks and ensuring a smoother flow of work. In contrast, traditional DevOps practices often involve working at full capacity, which can lead to bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and waste. By incorporating lean principles, teams can work more efficiently, reduce waste, and ultimately create more value. So, what have we learned today? We've seen how traditional DevOps practices, while effective in many ways, can often overlook the importance of system stability and lean principles. We've also discovered how incorporating these elements can lead to a more robust, resilient, and efficient system. By focusing on system stability, we can ensure a smoother, more reliable software development process. And by applying lean principles, we can eliminate waste, improve efficiency, and create more value. In essence, by incorporating system stability and lean manufacturing principles into DevOps practices, we can create a more robust, resilient, and efficient software development process. And isn't that what we're all striving for? So, next time you're planning your DevOps strategy, why not consider incorporating these elements? It could just be the secret ingredient you've been searching for. For further reading, you might want to look at The Phoenix Project by Gene Kim, Kevin Baer, and George Spafford, or Lean Software Development and Agile Toolkit by Mary and Tom Poppendiek. Both offer a deeper dive into these topics and more. Until next time, keep innovating, keep improving, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in DevOps.